All right, breaking development coming in. BJP's big allegation against the Congress. BJP alleges that Congress workers ahead of the rally in Ram Leela Maidan shouted slogans giving death threats to Prime Minister Modi. Says the people of India will respond to this threat by saying, Modi tera kamal khilega, and that's what they are saying. So this is the latest that we're getting right now. The BJP alleges that Congress gave death threats to the Prime Minister ahead of the big planned rally in Ram Leela Maidan, and they were shouting slogans giving death threats to Prime Minister Modi. Also, for more on this, we have Arun Dhanta live with us. Arun, thank you so much for joining us. What can you tell us now? This is the latest that we're hearing right now.
Well, that's right. It's a big day for the Congress party. They have planned this big rally here in Ram Leela Maidan in Delhi. But right before that rally's commencement, we are hearing that the sloganeering from the Congress party workers is something which is once again creating problem for them. We've seen that BJP has already picked up that matter, that how Prime Minister Modi has been abused once again. In fact, if you see that video of sloganeering in which Congress party workers have been abusing Prime Minister Modi, it is very much amply clear that these people are the ones who are participating in that rally here, and that's why BJP, of course, is targeting Congress party and saying that they have given multiple threats to Prime Minister Modi in the past. They've abused Prime Minister Modi in the past, but people of this country will abuse them. So this another controversy has been attached to another program of the Congress party. Remember last time around in Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi Yadav's program in Bihar during the election time, Prime Minister Modi's mother was abused and BJP made a huge issue out of that. And today, once again, when Congress party was very much focused on their program on vote chori, as they call it, it seems that this is the initial dent which they have got through this this statement, these abuses coming from the Congress workers side. Let me quickly show you a glimpse of this place here at Ram Leela Maidan, where Congress workers have slowly started gathering here. You can see the entire road is completely filled with the posters of the Congress party and the Rahul Gandhi. In a short while from now, we'll be seeing the top leaders of the Congress party, including Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi. They all will be coming here to participate in this program, and also importantly.
All right. Thank you so much for bringing us the latest on that. Stay on with us, please. We're also now being joined by Mr. Pradeep Bhandari, BJP. Thank you so much for joining us. Of course, this Congress is stepping up its offensive over vote chori, this rally that has been scheduled. We're also hearing of sloganeering. What can you tell us, sir? What is your assessment of what's really going on here?
Well, the Congress workers, inspired by Rahul Gandhi, are openly raising and giving death threats to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through sloganeering. The last time the Congress workers attempted this, inspired by Rahul Gandhi, the people of the country said, Modi tera kamal khilega. But the big point here is that the Gusbetiya Samarthan rally, in order to protect the illegal infiltrators, the Congress party has stooped so low that on one hand they are wishing death threats to the Prime Minister, wishing ill for the Prime Minister, and on the other hand, you see the Congress workers openly abusing the constitutional functionaries. No wonder the Congress today has become the Muslim League Mawadi Congress, as said by the Honorable Prime Minister.
Right, and of course, now that we're talking about this vote chori charge also, how do you see the day panning out with regards to that? Do you think they're going to be able to really mobilize their base and really put forth the evidence that they've been talking about? All right, we seem to have lost him. Of course, we'll try and get more voices for you on that. Also, let me just go across to Arun Dhanta, who has also been bringing us all the developments on this. Arun, let me just come to you on that. A lot seems to be riding on this rally, mega rally that they've organized for today. And we're already seeing how blame is being traded before this rally begins. What can you tell us?
Well, that's
about vote chori. He has done even press conferences multiple times in the past, picking up seats where they are alleging that there was a role which Election Commission play in the manipulation of those seats. And in fact, today in that regard, they would want to take it forward. We have seen even in the Parliament during the electoral, reforms debate, how Rahul Gandhi spoke about it, and then the response, of course, coming from the BJP side, Amit Shah side, were saying that the original vote chori was done by Congress party, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, and Sonia Gandhi. There is nothing which Election Commission is doing, and even Election Commission has responded multiple times to the questions of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party. As far as today's rally is concerned, they are naming it vote chor, Gaddi Chhod, and you will have 5 crore signatures, what Congress party is saying they've gathered.
Party is saying they've gathered, they've collected from across the country, and they will also seeking time to meet President to submit these signatures to her. And also, of course, we have Congress Party's worker here. Let me quickly speak to them as to what they feel about this entire campaign. आप कहाँ से हैं?
I'm from Bihar.
You come from Bihar.
Yes, yes.
तो आज राहुल गांधी की बड़ी रैली है यहाँ पर. उससे पहले ही आपके कुछ वर्कर्स ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को भी गाली दे दी है. तो कैसे देखते हैं उसका प्रभाव पड़ेगा?
देखिए, प्राइम मिनिस्टर को गाली हमारे कोई वर्कर कभी नहीं देता है. कांग्रेस का ये कल्चर नहीं है. वो लोग भाजपा और आरएसएस का ये कल्चर है. हम लोग का कोई भी कार्यकर्ता कभी अभद्र भाषा बोलता ही नहीं है.
लेकिन आपके कुछ मेहरौली के उनके पोस्टर्स उनके हाथ में थे, तो प्रधानमंत्री को उन्होंने
ये कांग्रेस पार्टी के छवि को बदनाम करने के लिए किसी गैर कांग्रेसी को पोस्टर पकड़ा दिया गया होगा और वो बोले होंगे. कांग्रेसी का ऐसा नेचर नहीं है. 70 साल से ये देश देख रही है कि कांग्रेस का कल्चर क्या है, कांग्रेस की रीति क्या है, कांग्रेस का रिवाज क्या है.
अच्छा, आप बताइए, ये जो वोट चोरी का आंदोलन जो कांग्रेस पार्टी लगातार चला रही है, बिहार में भी हमने देखा, लेकिन इसका लोगों के ऊपर असर ज्यादा नहीं दिख रहा है. ऐसा क्यों?
लोगों पे असर दिखेगा, क्यों नहीं दिखेगा? अब दिखने लगे हैं. जब बिहार में चुनाव हुए तो पब्लिक के रुझान तो अलग थे और रिजल्ट अलग था. मशीनें अलग गई, काउंटिंग में अलग गई.
नहीं ना वहाँ पे वोट चोरी वाला तो
बिल्कुल हुआ.
कहाँ रिजल्ट तो आपको
रिजल्ट तो मशीनें काउंट में गई नहीं. चुनाव में मशीनें का पोलिंग बूथ पे अलग गई और जहाँ काउंटिंग हुई वहाँ अलग मशीनें थी.
अच्छा, आज को लेकर क्या देखते हैं, कितना सक्सेसफुल ये रैली होने वाली है और कौन कौन लोग इसमें आ रहे हैं?
सभी है, सारे नेता ही हैं यहाँ पे और इंशाल्लाह हम जीतेंगे.
Alright, so you can see that BJP Congress workers have started coming here for the program, the Maha Rally, which they are calling it, and in a short while from now, the senior leaders of the Congress party will be coming here, the likes of Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, and Sonia Gandhi is also in all likelihood going to be participate in this vote chori, as they're calling it, program here in Ramlila Maidan.
All right. Well, thank you so much for bringing us that. Now, of course, we're also right now being joined by Shehzad Poonawalla, BJP. Thank you so much for joining us. Of course, there have been big allegations against Congress also for the sloganeering that we've heard also ahead of this mega rally. A lot seems to be riding for the Congress party when it comes to this mega rally that they've planned for today. We also heard some of the workers saying that there is vote chori, this is not the culture, and these kind of slogans, that's just not their language. What do you have to say about this?
You see, it is very clear that this is not about SIR, it is about Samvidhan Tewar, and now the Congress wants to eliminate, they want to finish off Prime Minister Modi. And therefore, look at the language being used by Congress workers. By the way, this video is not put out by BJP, it's been put out by a very reputed news agency. And the video shows clearly that they are chanting, Modi teri kabar khudegi, aaj nahi to kal khudegi. So they are saying that Modi, you will be killed. And this is not the first time. You remember कि मोदी हिटलर की मौत मरेगा, कब्र खुदेगी, मार देंगे मोदी को, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी को लाठी डंडे मारो, has been said by Rahul Gandhi. So this is a long history of abuses and dhamkis that has been given. Rahul Gandhi gave dhamki to Election Commission also very recently in Parliament, and we have seen the AI video of Prime Minister that Ragini Nayak had tweeted. They abused his mother also. So they have a hatred for Prime Minister Modi because he comes from OBC Samaj, and now they want to finish him off. Why? Because they put Parivar Tantra above Samvidhan Tantra. They keep their Parivar above Samvidhan. So they lose an election, they abuse the Election Commission, they abuse Prime Minister, they abuse Judiciary. It's called the emergency mansikta of Indira's grandson. This is EMI, not ECI.
All right, now I also to that end want to ask you, we've seen that Rahul Gandhi has been speaking of vote chori. However, it appears as though he's not been able to successfully mobilize his base on this issue, which if it is to be looked into, it is a huge issue, that it's a big allegation that he's making when it comes to vote chori. However, it doesn't seem to be resonating all that much with the people. Why do you think that is?
Because it's not true. Let's assume that SIR had wrongly deleted names of 45 lakh people in Bihar, then at least 4,500 people would have come on the street. At least 450 affidavits would have been given. And the entire Bihar SIR exercise was done under the Nigrani of Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said there is too much passion, very little reason. Where is the evidence that the mass deletions are wrong? So nothing was provided on paper. All the allegations Rahul Gandhi makes, Maharashtra, Haryana, Aland, Mahadevpura, all of them do not stand the scrutiny of courts. Then, forget everything else. National Conference got up in Parliament and said that this vote chori allegation you're making is wrong. Just recently, yesterday, Ashwini Kumar, a former Congress leader, senior leader, has said that we can't blame EVMs or Election Commission when we lose. Then Tariq Anwar, Shakil Ahmed, there are scores of Congress leaders who said that let's live in reality, let's identify that the cause is the beta, not the Election Commission ka data. But they want to save the beta who's lost 95 elections, so they blame the data.
All right, Mr. Poonawalla, thank you so much for joining us on the show with your insights on this. Let me just go across to Arun Dhanta. Arun, thank you so much for staying on with us. Of course, and now it does appear that this Congress's vote chori pitch, it has really not taken much, it has really not seen many takers. Why do you think that is also? Because I was just talking to Mr. Poonawalla about this also. He's saying that this is not true. They've not been able to provide any sort of evidentiary support, and to that end, they've not been able to stand the scrutiny of courts when it comes to an issue like this also.
Well, that's right. We've seen in the past that how the entire narrative of vote chori has not worked for the Congress party, and the most recent example of that is Bihar, where Rahul Gandhi had undertaken that that vote chori yatra, but still results were completely contrary to their expectations. And as far as today's rally is concerned, of course, they are gathering. They're asking people to come on in large numbers to come here to Ramlila Maidan in Delhi, and therefore we are seeing that people not only from Delhi, from across the country have come here. Let me quickly speak to a few workers here. कहाँ से आए आप? बिहार से आए आप? आज वोट चोरी को लेकर आप लोग यहाँ प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, रैली कर रहे हैं, कितना ये आपको लगता है लोगों के बीच विषय जा रहा है? लोग आपके
विदेशों में भी बातें जा रही है, इस तरह की घटनाएं होती है, लोगों को आश्चर्यजनक लगता है, लेकिन हम समझते हैं हिंदुस्तान को यह मालूम कब हो गया, कन्विंस हो गए जब उन्होंने प्लेटफार्म पर हाउस में।
लेकिन अभी आपके कुछ
वर्कर्स ने प्रधानमंत्री के लिए कुछ अब्यूसिव शब्द इस्तेमाल किए हैं, गाली गलौज किया है, तो उसका नहीं लगता आपकी रैली पे भी असर पड़ेगा? क्योंकि बीजेपी तो टारगेट करना शुरू कर रही है।
हम समझते हैं कि किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को गाली पढ़ना, शब्द का व्यवहार करना उचित नहीं है। यदि किसी ने किया होगा तो मैं समझता हूँ कि वह परिवार हमारे पार्टी के लिए बड़ा निशान नहीं है।
पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर से आए।
क्या?
पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर से।
कहाँ से आए?
राजस्थान का अंतिम छोर जो है श्री करणपुर गंगानगर जिला से, वहां से आए हैं।
लेकिन हम लगातार देख रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी इस विषय को उठा रहे हैं, पर जनता लग रहा है कि सपोर्ट नहीं उस तरह का मिल रहा है। बिहार में भी आप लोगों ने पूरा कैंपेन किया SIR को लेकर, लेकिन नतीजे आपके फेवर में नहीं आए।
जिस प्रकार देश के लोकतंत्र पर जो कब्जा करके, जो सत्तारूढ़ होकर के जो सांप्रदायिक पार्टियां बैठी हैं, उन्होंने जिस प्रकार का शिकंजा अंग्रेजों ने कसा था, वैसा ही कुछ शिकंजा भारत के लोकतंत्र को कमजोर करने के लिए इन पार्टियों ने रचा है। अब इस शिकंजा अगर मजबूत कसा है तो उसके लिए अगर हम लड़ रहे हैं तो इस लड़ने को ही हमारी शुरुआत को क्रांति मानी जानी चाहिए। 1857 में गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में चंद लोग ही निकले थे और 1947 में
आपको लगता है क्रांति आएगी जैसे ये कह रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल आएगी, 100% आएगी। क्यों नहीं आएगी? जब बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, अब इनके पाप का घड़ा भी जब भर जाएगा तो क्रांति जरूर आएगी, ये हमारा कहना है। इस जोर जुल्म की
These are Congress workers. In fact, I would request my camera person to just show on that side also. You're seeing a sea of people coming here and they are queuing outside the the Ram Leela Maidan here in the national capital. As we were discussing earlier, that these people are not only from Delhi. They've asked Congress workers to come here from across the country, and therefore we are seeing Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, all of them have come here because they wanted to show that Congress party is still relevant with that show of strength, and that's the reason why you see that massive gathering is here in Ram Leela Maidan for the Vote Chori rally, the program which they've organized.
All